In this video I'll be talking you through how to reset the tyre pressure monitoring system on the infotainment system. Really easy to do this one and saves you a panic if a warning light does pop up on your dashboard. The really important thing to do is as soon as you get the warning light pop up on your dashboard, safely pull over, check all your tyre pressures, and as long as they are correct, then proceed to do this. All you need to do is on the bottom right of the screen, press on the car icon, then onto vehicle settings bottom left. You'll see the car up here. If you rotate around the car, swiping from right to left, and again on there, you'll see bottom right comes up with tyres. And then the first thing you can see is tyre pressure loss indicator. As I say, check that all the tyre pressures match the required values, press OK on there once they do, and you can see there it's all been saved. And it's as easy as that.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, feel free to hit the thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified of any future uploads from us. If there's anything else you want to see, feel free to let us know in the comments down below.